Hey Street Feds, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. What, honey? I ain't say that in so long. But anyway, y'all, today of course we getting into a mukbang. We got some chicken tenders and fries from HipHop Chicken, and we got barbecue sauce for dipping. I usually do ranch, but I was feeling like barbecue sauces today, so you got barbecue sauce. And y'all, before we get into this video, make sure you I can't even get it out. Why am I so all over the place? Before we get into this video, make sure that y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? And turn on those post notifications. You'll be notified every time that I post a video. Be sure to like, comment, and share. Let's get right on into it. Y'all know I'm not finna talk a lot, because that's not what we do over here. Sometimes I can be chatty, but today ain't one of them days. We hopping right on in, okay? All right? Y'all see that? Yes, baby. That lemon pepper crack. Yeah.
Y'all, quick apology. I know I am not looking in the camera, and I am sorry. I was worried about being in the right frame without my hair cut off, and then I never looked back in the camera, y'all. I'm sorry.
We're gonna grab some ranch for the tenders. I'm not feeling the barbecue sauce. Alright, y'all, this is a ranch and hot sauce mix because I didn't have that much ranch left, but I do like the ranch and hot sauce mix for these for the tenders that come from HipHop. So yeah. Excuse me. Yeah, they really do have some of the best tenders. And they always hot and fresh. They fry them tenders right when you order them. If you have a hip hop chicken where you live, drop down in the comments what your favorite item to get from there is. I think that the chicken tenders is always my go-to. Y'all, we about to bring this to an end because I'm full. And I only ate 2 out of the 3 tenders. But as you can see, they're kind of big. But anyway, whatever holiday you celebrate, I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. Some have already started. Anyway, like I said, whatever you celebrate, I hope that y'all have. Whatever y'all celebrate, I hope that y'all have a beautiful holiday season, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe.